Can you tell me how your kit is different or better than other stencils that cost much less? And then someone else wrote in, your kit is almost 7 times more expensive than other kits I see on the market. Can you tell me why? People think when they first open my kit that it's very simple. And it was designed that way. I wanted it to be simple. I have 11-year-old girls who have painted it and 65-year-old ladies who have painted it. And so it's simple. And the thing about it is very, when you paint the mural, you're going to get a very professionally painted mural. You're going to get one that looks like I came in and painted it. It's not going to be quite as detailed probably as what I would do, but you're going to get one as close as you can get. There are other kits on the market, you're right. And there used to be other ones, they come and go. There's one kit that's out there that's been there for a long time. It's the Night Sky kit by Ursa Major. And you'll see that all over. I mentioned that one because it's a kit it's a nice kit. It's a very basic mural when you get done with it. I think you're going to have maybe 300 to 350 stars. With my kit in the same size room, which is like a 10 by 10 or a 10 by 12, you're going to have between 2,000 and 2,400 stars. So the difference, you're going to get a lot more with our kit. But the Ursa Major one is it's a very nice kit. And I actually have some instructions that can go along with that will beef it up a little bit. But the reason I'm so much more expensive is you're going to get, the end product is going to be much closer to what a professional would paint. What I would, if I were to come in and paint your mural, our kit, our do-it-yourself kit is going to be very close to what I would paint.